How to add multiple photos in Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on our channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to add in multiple pictures to your story of Instagram. It's gonna be real quick and easy, so let's get right into it. First, let's head over to the story section. Now you'll have two choices. If you tap on this camera option right here, you can just select this layout option, from where you can just directly take a picture straight away. Now through this method, you can also add in multiple pictures. You just tap on the plus on the bottom left and you can select in multiple photos like this. Once you're done, tap on this tick mark and you'll be ready to post it on your story. Now other than that, you also have a second option. On this page, you just tap on the sticker option on the top, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see this additional option also. You can tap on it and from here you'll be able to choose in more photos that you want to add. You can just tap on the photo and the picture will be added. You can again repeat the same process to add in multiple pictures. So either you can use the layout feature of Instagram, or you can also use the sticker to add in multiple pictures to your Instagram story. And there you go, that's how you do it. If this video was useful to you, then make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. And that's going to be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.